So, Lectric e-bikes are basically known for offering affordable electric bikes with practical features and a pretty straightforward design. They're especially popular with people who want an e-bike without spending a fortune. The biggest advantage is value. Lectric offers different styles, including folding and utility-focused models, with decent range and useful features for commuting, errands, or just getting around town. But here's the catch: cheaper doesn't always mean better. Depending on the model, you may notice compromises in weight, ride quality, components, or overall refinement compared with more expensive e-bikes. I'd also pay attention to the size and weight. Some Lectric models are fairly heavy, and if you need to carry the bike upstairs or load it into a car, that can become a real annoyance. So, should you buy a Lectric e-bike? If you want practical electric transportation at a relatively affordable price, they're definitely worth considering. But I'd compare the specific model, range, weight, and features before buying. Overall, Lectric makes a lot of sense for value-focused buyers, but don't assume the cheapest e-bike is automatically the best fit for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.